background verification vendor, based on your PF account, they can track your overlapping related issues that will create major problem in your life, especially when you join in big MNCs. Not only in PF account, there is a one more parameter based on which nowadays background verification vendors tracking your moonlight activity easily. Have you heard about Google ITR registration? Which is the simple process. They will provide you some link. If you click on that link, you need to give the basic informations. Once you provided your basic information, your HR partner or background verification vendor can track bank transaction, whatever happened based on your PAN, which means TDS, whatever tax deducted based on your PAN, it will be reflected in Google ITR registration. So if you work two companies, there might be a chance two tax deduction, two professional tax deductions will be there, based on which they can easily track you did the moonlight activity. Okay. Most of the MNCs nowadays started to verify your parameter digitally, especially Digi Verifier. And please be careful. If you don't know about this process, please educate to your friends as well as freshers so that they can stop the process before hitting the big tower. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.